Hello guys! Today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max and I'm going to show you how to tighten the bolts in the handlebar. So actually this video is more like a recommendation of how to do the safety checkups in your scooter rather than some how-to tutorial, because as you can see here we've got the bolts. These bolts are the handlebar bolts and you need to tighten them from time to time with this given to you tool, this screwdriver. You need to tighten them from time to time. I'd rather check them every 100 miles and just tighten them right like that, because I think the safety comes first and you need to tighten them all four here, because they may loosen over time when you go, for example, on some long rides or you just, casually ride. Everything can loosen because this is only some piece of tech. These are only screws. Everything can be damaged, so I do want to recommend to tighten them. That's all for today. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.